Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the MINISFORUM MS-S1 Max Mini Workstation. I've combed through specs, performance tests, user impressions across forums, reviews, and comparisons online, so you get the honest truth about whether this compact powerhouse is worth buying or if you should keep looking. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right off the bat, this isn't your typical mini PC. The MS-S1 Max is packing a Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 with 16 cores and 32 threads, coupled with Radeon 8060's graphics, and we're talking about a tiny box that's designed not just for everyday tasks but for real workstation workloads. In a world where small form factor usually means compromises, this thing feels like a statement. You can have desktop-class muscle in a pocket-sized chassis. After digging through benchmarks and real-world tests, it's clear that this AMD AI Max platform isn't just theoretical horsepower. It genuinely delivers multi-core performance that holds its own against much larger machines. Whether you're doing software development, heavy multitasking, compiling code, running virtual machines, editing high-res video, or crunching datasets, this chip doesn't flinch. For creators and professionals who are tired of lugging around big desktops, this is a really meaningful step toward true portable power. One of the things that impressed me most from what I've seen online is the 128 GB of LPDDR5 memory. That's a huge amount of ultra-fast memory, and when paired with the CPU here, it means the system doesn't choke when you've got huge spreadsheets open, dozens of browser tabs, creative apps, and local servers running all at once. A lot of mini PCs skimp on RAM, but this one goes all in, and you feel it in real use. Projects load faster, rendering is smoother, and switching between heavy applications feels instant. Storage is another strong point. The 2 TB SSD gives you tons of room for large project files, virtual machines, and local libraries of media or datasets. And since it's an SSD, everything launches instantly. No waiting on slow drives. If you've ever been frustrated by limited storage on compact systems, this configuration is a breath of fresh air. Connectivity here is also top tier. You've got HDMI plus 2 USB 4 and 2 USB 4 version 2 video outputs, which means driving multiple high-resolution displays isn't a problem at all. For someone who wants a serious workstation setup with dual monitor productivity or even a mobile content creation desk with external screens, this is huge. And network options are equally impressive. Dual 10G RJ45 ports give you blazing fast wired connectivity for local servers or fast NAS access, while Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 future-proof your wireless performance. I went down a deep thread of people testing connectivity, and the consensus seems to be this is one of the most robust wireless implementations you can get in a small PC today, reliable, fast, and stable. On the graphics side, the Radeon 8060s isn't a discrete GPU in the traditional sense, but it outperforms what you'd expect in this category. Casual gaming, GPU-accelerated workloads, and creative effects all feel smoother compared to integrated graphics on other compact devices. It won't replace a top-tier full desktop with a beefy discrete card, but for most productivity, creative acceleration, and even some lighter gaming, it's a very respectable performer. And here's the thing I kept hearing again and again in community feedback. This is one of the most balanced mini workstations on the market right now. It doesn't feel like a product with glaring compromises. It feels thoughtful, powerful, and genuinely built for professionals who don't want to sacrifice performance for size. So here's my take, after looking through specs, reviews, benchmarks, and real-world user impressions across the internet. If you want a compact workstation that can truly replace a desktop in many professional scenarios, the MINISFORUM MS-S1 Max Mini Workstation is absolutely worth considering. It's got power, expandability, connectivity, and future-ready features that make it stand out in a crowded field of small PCs. If that's the kind of machine you're after, this one gets my recommendation. Definitely check it out.